Hello! Welcome again to Read Along with Rinkes. Today we are going to read Mine, Mine, Mine by Shelley Becker. Ready? My name is Gail, and here's a tale that I would like to share. Bless you. It happened when my cousin came, my greedy cousin Claire. She kept on touching all my stuff and getting in my way. I told her, all these toys are mine. Find something else to play. But Mother heard my every word and said I should be nice. Go find a toy that she'll enjoy. Yeah, that was Mom's advice. My eyes began to scan the shelves for something I could share. Then suddenly I turned to see she'd snatched my teddy bear. Well, then I snapped. I had it napped. A fury filled my head. I scowled so bad with eyes red mad, and this is what I said. Mine, mine, mine! You give it back! And stop that squeaky whine. Let's get this straight now, Cousin Claire. See all this stuff? It's mine. Those pickup sticks, that china doll, this table set for tea, the puzzle pieces, the building blocks, they all belong to me. And even if you find it first, don't touch it, don't you dare. And by the way, you'd better move, 'cause that's my favorite chair. She is snatching the teddy bear back. Yeah. No, take me home, Claire sobbed and moaned. She said it wasn't fair, so Mother had a chat with me to teach me how to share. Gail, please be kind to Cousin Claire, Mom said. It's easy, see? Just watch how I share all day long and try to copy me. Her spools of thread, her fresh baked bread, her slippers shaped like bunnies. My mother even shares her jokes, and some are kind of funny. And there they are wearing the slippers. Bunny slippers, yay! Bunnies! I didn't care or want to share, but Mother said I must. I scrounged around until I found some stuff all full of dust. An ugly hat, a broken bat, a smelly, chewed-up shoe, all battered, worn, and tattered, torn. Hey, Claire, it's all for you. Do you think Claire wants those toys? Claire looks kind of sad. And here's a book. Come take a look. The front and back are green. I liked it more before I tore the pages in between. Look how sad Claire looks. And how'd you like some bubblegum? I'm sure it tastes divine. There, stuck beneath that kitchen chair. It's certainly not mine. I felt so proud, I squealed out loud. I shared, I did it great. Claire glared at me, and I could see she seemed a bit irate. Well, I, for one, found sharing fun and thought I'd try some more. I offered Claire some spinach stew, and whoa, did she get sore. She screamed and shrieked, completely freaked. Her face was turning blue. She gagged and coughed as if I'd offered mothball earthworm stew. Mom said, "Come here, my darling dear. There's one thing you should know. You have to share your favorite things, and then you'll be a pro. The stuff I like, my shiny bike, the games I like to play. Well, how about I try that out tomorrow, not today? The time had come to drive Claire home. We climbed into the car. I said, you'll see, someday I'll be a sharing superstar. Yes, you'll get better as you grow, my mom agreed with me. And sharing does get easier. Keep trying, and you'll see. Well, since that date, I'm sharing great. And here's the proof of it. Do you think she actually learned how to share? You're looking at my favorite book, and I don't mind one bit. That story, again, is called Mine, 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 with a great lesson about sharing toys that Ryan is starting to learn about sharing her toys. We gotta learn how to share all of these. Because sometimes when Mommy tries playing with her toys, she starts getting crabby. We get to learn how to share. All right. Thank you for tuning in again for Read Along with Rinkes. Go ahead and comment below and tell me if you liked it, if you want me to keep reading more, or if you have a specific book you want us to read, we can do that too. Hope you've been enjoying them. Bye. Have a good break.